Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equal to 100. Now this 5 to the power of x is common, so we are going to take 5 to the power of x common. 1 plus here 1 equal to 100. Now 5 to the power of x times of 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to 100. Divide by 2 on both sides. Here 2. Now this 2 cancels this. So we have 5 power x equal to simplify this, 50. Here it is 50. Now this is 5 to the power of x equal to 50. Take a log on both sides. Log 5 to the power of x equal to log 50. Now we know that log power formula, log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to apply this here. So we'll get x log 5 equal to log 50. Now here divide by log 5 on both sides. Log 5 here log 5. So this log 5 cancels this. So we'll have x equal to log 15 by log 5. This 50 can be written as 50 equal to 5 times of 10. X equal to log 5 times of 10 by log 5. AB equal to log A plus log B. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get x equal to log 5 plus log 10 by log 5. Now we are going to write a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. We are going to apply this here. So we'll get x equal to log 5 by log 5 plus log 10 by log 5 here. So this log 5 cancels this. So here 1. So x equal to 1 plus log 10 by log 5. Now we know that log 10 can be written as 5 times of 2. So x equal to 1 plus log 5 times of 2 by log 5. So x equal to 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. This is, we have applied log product formula here. So x equal to 1 plus log 5 by log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. A plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. So this log 5 cancels this. So here 1. So x equal to 1 plus here 1 plus log 2 by log 5. Now x equal to this 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 2 by log 5 here. Now we know that log formula, log a by log b equal to log a base b. Yes, we are going to apply this here. X equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. This is the x value. Now we are going to verify this. Check 5 power x plus 5 power x equal to 100. X equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. Now we are applying this x in this equation. Now 5 power 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus 5 power 2 plus log 2 base 5 equal to 100. We are checking that. So here 5 power this x is common. So we are going to take common that 5 power 2 plus log 2 5 open bracket. This is 1 plus here 1 equal to 101. 5 power 2 plus log 2 base 5 times 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to 100. Now we know that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. Now we are going to apply this here. 5 power 2 times 5 power log 2 base 5 times 2 equal to 100. Now 5 power 25 times this log 5 power log 2 base 5 times 2 equal to 100. A power log b base a equal to b. We are going to apply this here. So 25 times of this is 2 into this 2 equal to 100. Now 25 times of 2 is 50 times this 2 equal to 100. So 50 times of 2 is 100 equal to 100. Thus LH plus equal to R